One of the biggest emotional walls people hit when they start rebuilding is the word overwhelm. When you finally wake up, when you finally become honest with yourself, you suddenly realize how many things really need to be addressed and fixed. Maybe your weight, maybe your blood pressure, maybe your money, maybe your addiction, your marriage, your mindset, maybe your sleep, your anxiety, mostly your discipline, your emotional health. Man, you need to fix your relationships, get some new habits. For a lot of people, that realization right there just makes you freeze up. You start thinking, where in the heck do I even start? 250 things that I got to address. I've wasted decades. This is just too much. I'm just going to be doing nothing. Honestly, that feeling is very normal, because for a lot of us, the problem wasn't just one bad decision that fucked up your whole life. Years of neglect slowly piling up, one bad habit at a time. Throw on some excuses, avoid some shit. You have an unhealthy coping mechanism, and then another one, and then another one, and then eventually your whole life feels heavy. It's like walking through water. I really need you to understand this. You're not supposed to fix your life like that. That doesn't happen. It's not a 30-minute sitcom. That's not how rebuilding works. Rebuilding happens one small decision at a time. One walk, one workout, one honest conversation with your mate or yourself, a good meal, maybe some therapy, a sober day, a different morning routine, just a small, better habit. That's how you really change your life and keep it changed. That's why so many people fail. They just say, I'm going to quit smoking, I'm going to quit drinking, I'm going to fix my relationship, I'm going to go to the gym, I'm going to lose weight today. Meanwhile, as those don't get solved, you get emotionally crushed, defeated. That's why accountability is so important. Sometimes what you need is not motivation, because motivation is a lie. You need structure. Somebody on your side, somebody helping you slow down mentally to prioritize, helping you stop spiraling. Oh my God, there's so many things wrong. Helping you break it down into steps. And you got to start with step 1 to get to 250. That's what accountability coaching really is, and that's what I do. It's not somebody magically fixing your life. It's somebody helping you stop drowning in being overwhelmed and start moving slowly, consistently forward instead of looking back. Consistency changes lives. A lot of people stay stuck simply because they try to rebuild alone. And then they're alone with their thoughts, their fears, and their shame. They're confused. And isolation usually makes you're being overwhelmed worse. That's why I talk about this stuff openly now, and my struggles and screwing my life up and building it again. I know what it's like to look at your life and think, how in the hell did things get this bad? I know what it feels like. Have your health slipping, energy gone, confidence non-existent. Your mind races with all the things you still need to fix. I also know Small, consistent changes eventually create massive transformation. If you're starting over like me, please type "I'm in" so I know that you're doing it with us. My name is Eric. I'm an accountability coach, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.